Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. As in my earlier video, in this video, I was showing you that fear was quite increased and the fear index was dropped at 26. That was touching the levels of January 2013. You can see that here it was dropped down almost 1 day ago here on 26. By the way, you can watch the value here and I will place my mouse here. Then you can see that the value was 26. And if I move back more, then here in the month of September and here you can see in the month of January 2023, it was dropped at 26 and again it was dropped at the same level. What happened after that when it was touching those levels? In the month of January 2023, you can see that bulls take it as an opportunity. They started buying and then we had a nice rally. And this time I was showing you that now we are again dropped down at those levels, those low levels of the January 2023. Therefore, bulls can take an opportunity once again, and we may see another buying from here. Still, it is moving at the low levels, and the more the level will be low, the more fear will be increased. And today, you can see it is moving at 28. In the previous candlestick, it was slightly moved up. Fear was slightly decreased at 29. It was moving in the previous candlestick, and now it is again moving at 28. And by the way, we have also broken down this EMA ribbon on the daily time frame chart. And if we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that so far this EMA ribbon is not breached completely. We are moving almost at the center of this EMA ribbon. And in today's video, we will also analyze this move as well. By the way, during the bull run, when it breaks down this EMA ribbon, that is the right time to find another entry for another rally. And you can see that it was happening here. When it breached down this level of EMA ribbon, then you can see that we had a nice bound. We had another nice rally. It was happened here as well. When in the month of January 2024, we broke it down. Then we had another very nice rally. And when it broke it down here in the month of October 2023, then by the way, it broke it down here in the month of August 2023. Then we had a very, very nice rally. And before that, it was happened here in the month of June 2023 as well. By the way, it happens during the bull run. If we are not in the bull run, then after the breakdown, this EMA ribbon, it can work as a very, very strong long-term resistance for the price. And then we can go in a long-term bearish trend as well. So right now, we are still in the bull run and we have broken down this EMA ribbon. Therefore, if the price and starts another move to the upside from here, then we can catch another rally. And we will also analyze this move and EMA ribbon on the daily and on the weekly time frame chart as well. And I would also like to show you some chain analysis as well. And over here, you can see, by the way, I'm showing you this chain analysis from cryptoquant.com. And over here, you can see that exchange reserves are extremely significantly dropped down. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signal work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report in the video's description. You just need to open that report, and if you would like to check or verify any trading signal like this, the trade setup for Bioeconomy, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the trading view chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal, like this trade setup I shared on 27th of May 2024, and you can also watch the complete trade setup as well. Like this for the buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this button, and after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now, let me to take you to the live chart of Bitcoin. And here, on the daily time frame chart, first of all, you can see that we have breached this EMA ribbon. And by the way, as I was showing you a few moments ago, that whenever it happens in the bull run, like previously it had been happening here in the month of March 2023, in the month of, here in the month of March. And after that, after the month of December, by the way, this bull run was started after the month of December 2022. And when we broke it down here during the bull run, then we had a very nice rally. We again broke it down here in the month of June 2023. Then we had another short rally. And after that, when we again broke it down here in the month of September 2023, then we caught a very, very massive rally. We broke it down here in the month of January 2024. Then we had another very, very massive rally. And now recently, Here, by the way, previously we broke it down in the month of May 2024. Then we caught another very nice rally, but this time we have again broken it down and still moving above this short-term support of $53,000. That was previously breaking at the resistance, and now it is breaking at support. And we are almost moving at this support of $56,500 as well. By the way, if the price breaks down these support levels, then the next significant support will be here at $49,000. By the way, this level of $50,000 can be also breaking as a support. That will be a short-term support here that had been previously breaking as a support here. And this will be the long-term support of $49,000. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that previously this $49,000 has been breaking as a resistance here and as a resistance here. And therefore, again, it can work as a nice support. Now, if we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then here on this 7 days time frame chart, you can see that we have breached a half of the EMA ribbon, but did not break it down completely. But for example, if the price breaks down or breaches this EMA ribbon completely and moves down, then still we will need to keep an eye on this support of $49,000. That will be a very significant support because such move was happening here back in the month of September 2023. From the month of August to September, when we broke down this EMA ribbon here, but over there we had a very nice support of almost $25,000. That was previously breaking as a resistance here, support here, and the price and did not break down this support, and they covered back, and then we had another rally. Therefore, still we will need to keep an eye on this support of $49,000, despite the price and breaks down the support of this EMA ribbon. Now, if we take a look at this fear and greed index on the daily time frame chart, then here you can see that today the fear is increased more. Yesterday the value was moving at 29, and now it is decreased at 28. The more it will be decreased, the more fear will be increased. You can see it is moving at 28, and we are still moving at the lowest values, very close to the lowest values of the month of January 2023, when it was dropped down at these levels. In those days, you can see that bulls take it as an opportunity. Yeah, this was the January 2023. You can see that bulls took it as an opportunity and they started buying after that, and we had a very, very nice rally. Therefore, we need to keep an eye on the fear and greed index as well, because due to this increase of extreme fear, we may see another recovery move to the upside. Now, if we take a look at the exchange reserve, then you can see that exchange reserves are also moved significantly down. And let me just show you on the monthly time frame. Then you can see that it is significantly moved down. All of a sudden, you can see it drop down. That can be another reason that the price line, because the more the Bitcoin supply will be less on the exchanges, the more there will be chances for buying. And if the exchange reserve will be higher, then there are more chances for the sell-off. And it happened here on 4th of July 2024, when exchange reserves were high in those days. You can see that we had extreme sell-off, and now exchange reserves are quite down. Therefore, we may see a recovery move from here. But still, we need to keep an eye on this key support of $49,000 as well. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.